Hi, good morning, dear students. Hope all are keeping fine. Today we are going to see about multimedia on internet. So, when we open the internet, we can see lot of informations given. All those informations what we see are either in text, graphics, images, video, audio, in any of the services. So, multimedia is one of the very important concept used in internet. We know that internet is a large medium of information. Some of them are maps, media rich blogs, internet radio and video services, social networking sites that enables multimedia rich contents to be exchanged online. So all these things are multimedia based contents on internet. Applications of multimedia. Multimedia is an application which has in its use collection of multiple media sources like text, images, sound, animation and video on a single platform. So we have already learned that what is multimedia. It is a source where multiple media are linked. Some of the fields where this multimedia is used are given below: education, entertainment, business systems, medical services, public places, multimedia conferencing. So all these places are some of the places where the multimedia is used. First, let us see how it plays its role in education. So, we all know that nowadays we have online teaching, or we learn through internet services. So many options are available. So, multimedia plays an important role in learning concept through animation. So, most of the things are shown through animation. So we know some things cannot be shown real in videos, or we cannot learn it as it is. So we have to understand how it takes place. So that can be done with the help of animation. Some chemistry or bionuclear. So such things can be easily shown with the help of animation. Nowadays, students, teachers, and parents all enjoy the medium through which we learn, like animations, cartoons, graphics, images, etc. Multimedia based teaching and learning system used in Germany is Modulo. It is a multimedia system used for teaching and learning in Germany. In India also we have lot of online teaching methods or multimedia based teaching methods like e-learning, distance learning, virtual learning and so on. EduSat or educational satellite is launched in India for serving the educational sector. So nowadays we get lot of information through internet. It is provided by the EduSat, which is a satellite launched by India for serving in educational sector. Entertainment. So we all know that in the entertainment field, multimedia plays a very important role. Nowadays, there is lot of advancement in the entertainment industry. That is because of the multimedia technology. Here, this multimedia technology is mainly used in almost all modes of entertainment like radio, TV, online gaming, video, and so on. Same way, we see movies online. So whenever we want to see a movie, we can just download it from the internet, or you can watch it on television, and so on. Movies are stored in a central server and transmitted through a communication network. We know that cable TV or dish TVs nowadays it is available. So all are example for how these movies are transmitted through a communication network. So a set-top box connected to the communication network converts the digital information to analog signals and inputs it into the television set. So how it is converted, how the signals are converted, and how do we see it in the television. So with the help of a set-top box, we can convert the digital information to analog signals which can be seen through our television. Business systems. Business application for multimedia include presentation, training, internet protocols, and so on. The marketing and advertisement agencies, building employee ID, high resolution projectors are common for multimedia presentation on road. Cell phones and personal digital assistants with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi communication technology makes multimedia communication for business more effective. So here, uh, in business, lot of things takes place. So suppose if you are building a construction, a construction is taking place. How or what is the structure of that construction? We say it as 3D planning and all those things. Then training, internet protocols, all these things can be formed with the help of multimedia in business. Same way, marketing and advertisement agencies, they also take advantage using multimedia. So in order to market some products, they can show it, advertise it with the help of this multimedia. Building employee ID, we know that most of the companies have an ID. So how do this employee ID is created? Is with the help of the multimedia. So when we go through the roads, we can see some projectors, LCD or LED walls, what or something is projected on that. It is with the help of the multimedia. So using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi technologies, this multimedia communication for business had enhanced. So these are the options what is available in business systems. Medical services. So nowadays we know that medical system or medical services has grown in a rapid speed. Doctors, MBBS, when we study MBBS, some surgery have to be practiced. So if we all of a sudden do a surgery on a person, there may be some complications with that. So nowadays there is no real surgery practice. First, before they do the actual surgery, they go through the multimedia based surgeries. That means they go undergo a virtual image surgery. Tiny digital cameras are inserted in human body and it displays the inner scenes of the body. So we know that when we go for some scanning and all those things, the some small cameras are inserted like endoscopy. So the doctors can see what is inside. If there is any problem inside the body, you can see it, and accordingly the treatment can be made. In this way, the medical practitioners were able to see the inner part without dissecting it. So without making any surgery, the doctors can take decision about what kind of medicines are to be given. Public places. We know that when we go to some railway stations, museums, halls and all those things, some touch screens are placed there in order to give information to the customers. It is known as kiosk. It provides information to the customer and help them. The information presented in kiosks are enriched with animation, videos, still pictures, graphics, diagrams, maps, audio, and text. So all these things are available in the kiosk so that it gives a better information to the customers. Banks also use this kiosk in the form of ATM machine. Multimedia conferencing. Multimedia conferencing, we all know that. So nowadays, like Skype and all those things, WhatsApp video call. So all these things provides the multimedia conferencing. It performs a face-to-face interaction as if we all sit together in a room and chat. So these are the things what we have seen. I think you all understood this, and the remaining topic will be dealt the next day.